Hi dear Cancerians, how are you guys doing? So this is a journal reading for December 2020. It might or might not resonate with you, so you have to check out the video for that. And if it does, do let me know in the comment section. I will wait for your comments. So I'll divide the December 2020 in 4 weeks. So in the first week of December 2020, there is transformation coming your way, and then fulfillment of wishes, and then intuition card. So basically, Cancers, you are going through a period of transformation. It is kind of transformation that you were not hoping for. Transformations are never easy. They're always hurtful, they're always painful, but in the long run, they are going to make you a very, very good person, a better person from the previous one. Okay, so fulfillment of wishes. There is some blessing coming to you. Your wishes will be fulfilled. Might be you are waiting for this particular wish from a very long time, and now this is going to be fulfilled, and your intuition is running very high. Transformation and intuition in the same week. So your transformation is coming. There is some wish that is going to be fulfilled, Cancers, in the first week of December, and your intuition is running very high in the first week of December. Maybe you were thinking about something. Yes, this happened. Yes, this can be like that. This can be like that, and that particular thing happened like that. Exactly the same way you were thinking. That is the intuition, that is the way of intuition that is running very high for you in the first week of December. And in the second week of December, what we can see is the disruption. There is something that's breaking. This is the Tower moment. Disruption is something that was not able to stand the test of time. So it is going to be, I'm not getting the exact word for that, Cancer, but disruption is some kind of that is broken, and it is rebuilding themselves. So it is kind of energy that you are rebuilding yourself from the previous actions, from the previous transformations, from the previous week's energy. Then there is passion ignited, lots of passion, lots of physical energy you are feeling. I think you are getting physically attracted towards somebody, or somebody is getting physically attracted towards you, Cancers, and you are going to enjoy this phase. December second week is going to be very, very good for you in terms of physical relationships, and there is balance as well in your life. Finally, you are going to feel a little balanced about this particular situation in your life, that you were feeling like, no, nothing is working for me, but in the long run, this transformation is helping you to transform into a better version of yourself. Passion is ignited, physical energy is there. You are going to enjoy a lot of physical things. Maybe what we can say, enjoy a good sex in your life in December 2020 second week, and there is balance coming to your life. Finally, the balance you were seeking, you were looking for, that is coming to your life in December second week. In the third week of December, what we can see is accelerated motion. What I can see is that you are moving very, very fast. You are moving very, very fast from this place to that place, or you are changing partner very, very fastly, like that to that, or you are changing houses, or you are changing jobs. There is some kind of energy that is very, very fast in motion and speed up. There is things that is speeding up for you, Cancers. Things are going very, very fast for you, and you're not able to understand why this is happening, why everything is happening so fastly in my life, and I'm not able to concentrate, I'm not able to take a decision. But what I can feel is, this is kind of energy where you might be accelerating. Acceleration is in the area of your relationship, actually. Yes. What I can feel is, either somebody is coming very fastly or leaving very fastly. I felt like passion is ignited, physical energy is there in the second week. In the third week, though, there's memories of love. Might be you are thinking about the second week's energy, and you are missing that particular person you had, you enjoyed the time with, or that is a partner that you really loved, and there was physical movement, there was physical energy, there was something that is happening, and you are missing that particular person. You are missing the love, you are missing the memories of that particular relationship in particular. And you're feeling a little defeated. Conflict is there, defeat is there. So overall energy for the third week of December is like you are diving in the memories of love, and there is lots of physical action, and but at the end you are feeling like defeated. You are feeling like, no, I'm not feeling happy about this particular situation. I want to change the situation into something better, and you are working on that. Yes. In the fourth week of December, there is deception and envy. what I can feel is there is some kind of truth coming to you, and you're not able to understand what should I do with this truth now. Maybe I should do that, maybe I should leave that person, maybe I should follow that person, maybe I should ask that person about this particular situation. You are not able to make any kind of decision right now. But this particular thing, whatever happened to you in the past, in December, whatever I told you, this particular thing is going to give you wisdom about something. Your mind is opening up, your spiritual level is growing up, you are getting heightened sense of intuition, you are getting very, very good energy. And whatever happened in the past, you are going to leave it in the past, you are going to throw everything in the bin, and you are going to feel like, yes, everything is like fine now. I am going to make a forward movement, I am going to make good choices in my life, and I am going to make decisions for my life that is going to help me grow. And then after this, there is firm foundation. So in the last week of December, you are going to get the wisdom that is required for your life to heal yourself, to go further in your life, and this firm foundation as well. So after all this memories of love, conflict and defeat, disruption, balance, intuition, transformation, whatever mess up energy you are feeling in December 2020, it is going to finally give you the firm foundation you were yearning for from previous years, I think, but from past 2-3 years, I think. So finally you are getting the firm foundation you were yearning for, and the overall energy for December 2020 is going to be movement, choices and decisions. So what I can say is you have lots of movement going on, physical energy is very high, movement is very high, you are moving a lot, maybe traveling a lot, you have lots of choices to make. You might be, you might feel like, I have so many choices, what should I choose, this one, that one, this one, that one. You are confused, and you have to take a firm decision. Only then you will get the firm foundation in your life that you are yearning for. Okay, and there is triumph at the end. You are going to be victorious. You don't need to worry about anything. Whatever you are going to think for yourself is going to make you happy at the end. You are going to get whatever you want, whatever you desire for, not in a negative way. If you're designing for somebody else's wife, that is not going to happen, Cancer. Okay, I'm giving an example. I'm giving an example just. Okay, so there is triumph at the end, there's victory at the end. You are going to enjoy December last week a lot, and you are going to feel stable, happy and victorious at the end of December 2020. So this is the reading for Cancerians, and if you like it, please do let me in the comment section if it resonates with you. And thank you so much for listening. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, like my channel, comment. Thank you so much. Namaste. God bless you.